Well, hello guys, my name is Irvan Mudaris, and here we are at Kebun Raya Bogor. So welcome to Kebun Raya Bogor, or in English we call it as Bogor Botanical Garden. This is one of the places that we can't miss to visit when you are in Bogor. At first, this tourist spot was only used in experimental garden for various types of plant to be introduced in the Dutch East Indies. However, over time this place became a place for scientists, especially those working in the field of botany. Bogor Botanical Garden has 5 pillars, namely as a place for plant conservation, providing education as a place of research, tourist attraction, and environmental services. All of these pillars have the aim of increasing knowledge related to the environment, refreshing plants, and at the same time being inspirational. When we get here, we will get familiar with the name of tour, the Kebun Raya. So what is it? It is an educational tour that can be used as a place to learn the history of the botanical garden and recognize various types of plants, accompanied by a friendly tour guide like me. So there are 8 favorite gardens in botanical garden. So we are going to see the 8 favorite gardens in here. So let's get into it. Yeah, this is the first garden. The first garden is called Mexican Garden. This garden contains more than 100 species of dry climate plants from cacti, agave, yucca, and other succulents. This plant is imported from Central America and South America because it contains a row of beautiful ornamental plants. The Mexican garden is often used as a photo spot. Okay, let's move to the next garden. Okay, as you can see, this is Nathan's Park. Nathan Parks is contain types of Nathans of bitter plants, which are carnivorous animals that eat insects and small animals. This is biodiversity conservation park protects the summerback, which is a plant that is threatened with extinction due to the conversion of land and forest, its natural habitat. Okay, and then we move to the third place, and the third garden that we can see is the Medicine Garden. Yes, yeah, I think when you hear that, it is very common in your ears when you hear the Medicine Garden. Yeah, the Medicine Garden stores the Medicine Garden stores has more than 400 types of medicinal plants in areas A and B. You can get to know the types of function of each of these traditional medicine plants from the information board. So okay, let's go to the next place. And the next place is Orchidarium Gardens. Yes, orchidarium gardens are designed to resemble a natural habitat of orchids in nature. Therefore, this park area is not exposed to much sunlight. Meanwhile, the Black Orchid Garden at a glance look more exposed to sunlight. Okay, we have already in number 5 spot, so let's get into the other spot. And the next spot that you can see now is called Sojanakasan Park. Yes. Do you know what? If you climb to a higher place, you will see the plants arranged in Sojanakasan Park to form a Garuda bird from wing, head to feet. The name of this park is taken from the name of the garden curator and the first Indonesian to become the director of the Bogor Botanical Gardens in 1959 to 1969. Yeah, okay, let's go to the next spot. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, the next place is called Ecodome. Yeah, as you can see, it is like it's a building. Yes, it is a building from the outside. It's a very artistic building, and this artistic building filled with tropical plants and flowers. Ecodome has a healthy climate door with a filter system that can clean 10,000 meters per cubic of dirty air per hour. The exterior design of the Ecodome is also covered with moss which can keep rainwater and absorb bacteria from the air. You can also sit in the center of the dome. And this is the next spot. Yes, the next garden is called as Bamboo Garden. Yes, I think you already know the name of this garden, isn't it? Bamboo Garden is contain types of giant bamboo to small bamboo from East Asia to Southeast Asia. The location of the Bogor Botanical Gardens Bamboo Garden is adjacent to Jasmine Park and ancient Dutch tombs. So the last spot is called the Raya Thematic Park. The Raya Thematic Park contains plants and the Raya tribe or Otalas, which have high economic potential and are useful in the field of science. There are Alocasia, Aglaonema, and Cymothelogis types, among others that you can see. And yeah, and those are the gardens that you can see, those are the gardens that you can see. And we are already finished visiting the 8 garden now. And so that's all the garden that you have already visited in this beautiful place. And there's still a lot more place that you can visit for the photo spot in Bogor Botanical Garden. And then if you're going to take a walk in this botanical garden, yes, I'll let you for taking a walk for an hour. So let's take a picture for your moment. So thank you.